blank sheet of paper is nothing without an idea. To an architect, the greatest gift is to design without any restrictions. No building codes, no program, no budget to stop you. I feel that this 86 platform is this great white piece of paper that can be anything you desire. I love that I have so much inspirational build within my area. To the craziest stance, to Pro Drifter, to the fastest Drag 86, and straight up a masterpiece. I love this platform and I'm very glad that it emerged from a blank sheet of paper to the real deal. So good news, I put in an order for a Model 3. I feel that Tesla is doing all the right things. They're doing a lot of innovative stuff. And eventually, hopefully, all of that will be transferred to other cars as well. In a sense, the 86 is pretty innovative as well. They had a lot of cool details. It was geared completely towards the tuners. Guys, I want to say dream big. Make your blank sheet of paper whatever the hell you want. This is what was said to me. I thought this was funny because the principle was the same. You have an idea, get it down on paper, you develop it, you refine it, and then you just do it. Granted, the Model 3 was not designed to be modified. I cannot wait to start taking it apart and seeing what I can do. Story time. So, I went to a family vacation one day when I was very young. Maybe I was 9. We went to Vietnam, and that's when I realized I wanted to be an architect. My family over there was considered pretty well off, so middle class, but the building we were living around and staying at was in complete shambles. The roof was literally made with banana leaves. It was kind of crazy, and like, wow, this is their standard. And they had really bad flooding. The bridge we drove on daily collapsed, and then they didn't have any sanitation system. They literally threw crap in the water, and that was it. And it was really crazy. But when I was over there, I was a kid, and they knew right away I was American, so everyone came up to me like, hey yo, can I have some money? Even like little kids and like old people, like, you're American, so you must have money. Of course I was a kid, so I just said no. And then we went up north where my father's parents were, Hanoi, and we were at a fishing dock, and this old lady came up to me and asked me for money. And then I said, I'm a kid, what do you want me to do? She's like, oh yeah, you're right, I guess you're right. It's like, I don't have much time left for me, so I'm going to die, so take care of my next generation. But it translates something like that, but she pretty much said, okay, I don't have much time left, so go take care of my next generation. So that's when I realized, oh yeah, they need some development, they need better everything, and that's why I wanted to be an architect. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Did you try that?
Yeah.
Good job.
Can I see on it?
High five.